So this is one of those tools that you buy from AliExpress, don't expecting that much, but it's actually good and cheap. So rare, very rare case. So it has a semi-rigid cable. When you buy it, you can choose flexible cable or this rigid. So I would suggest go with that, because you can kind of make your endoscope in all kinds of shapes. And when you buy it, you will get a magnet. So this is accessory. You will get hook. Then you will get this mirror that you're supposed to add here, and you will see picturing in angle, but video quality is not that great, and this mirror also not polished that great, so it's kind of gimmick. This is not useful. Yeah, so let's try with magnet. Okay, so we have to use this ring to mount accessories. Okay, this is good enough. And I will use my phone, but you can connect this with your PC, Mac OS, Android, Apple devices that supports OTG and UVC protocols. Now I will use Next Camera application on my Android phone. I love it because it is free, it doesn't have ads, so no nonsense application. So yeah, let's connect endoscope, and we instantly have a live feed. Okay, this is not supposed to happen. Yeah, this is my mistake. So with this application I can zoom in, zoom out, yes, and I can make video recording, I can make pictures. So okay, let's video record. So let's say I want to pick up something, drag it out, so you will see what kind of video quality it has. So I use it in my daily job, and it's quite useful actually. One other thing to note, well, this is important, you can obviously adjust brightness. Okay, so on front camera you have 6 LEDs, and you can adjust brightness. So yeah, it is cheap, useful, and you should buy one.